Hi friends, Pamela and Mateo are going to help me with math today. So we have our numbers. We're going to talk about the numbers in the 60s. So we have 60 plus one more is 61. What would be one more than 61? One more than 61 is 62, which would be 60 plus 2. And one more than 62 is 63. We have 60 plus 3. What's one more than 63? 64. 6 tens, 4 ones. 60 plus 4. And one more than 64 is 65. 60 plus 5.
Or maybe 4.
What one more than 65 is 66. 60 plus 6. One more than 66 is 67. 60 plus 7. One more than 67 is 68. 60 plus 8. And one more than 68 is 69. 6 plus 9. One more in the 60s. All right, let's look at our problem. Pamela had 53 chocolate chips. She gave 12 to Mateo. How many does she have left? Now, would this be an addition or a subtraction problem? Well, there's a key word right here, which is left. When you have something left, it means the remainder of something, that some were taken away. So this would be a subtraction problem. So let's look at how we would solve this. And first, in my mind, I see. Where do you see Pamela? Where do you see Mateo? What are they doing with their chocolate chips? I'm glad that Pamela is sharing with them. What do we know? We know Pamela starts with 53, so we know the start. We know she gave 12 away, so we change by taking 12 away. And we're trying to figure out how many she had left, so the result. So this would be a subtraction problem. So our largest number is going to be 53. So we're going to start off by drawing 53. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. 53. And now we take 12 away. So we're going to take away 2 ones, and we're going to take away 1 10. So let's see how much we're left with. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. So we're saying 53 minus 12 equals 41. But let's check that over. It's always good to double check. We want to make sure we label this. These are cookies. So if we take, right, we took 5, 50, and we took away 10, and that leaves us with 4 tens. And we had 3, and we took away 2, and that leaves us with 1. Thank you for helping me today, Pamela and Mateo.